viral hepatitis, the importance of universal health coverage, urban health, and violence and injury prevention are just but 5 of the agenda items this year. The Western Pacific has 25% of the world's population, but has 40% of the viral hepatitis disease burden.
Local leaders are paying keen attention to the talks in order to contribute to the WHO's mission of collaboration, while using the information discussed to help draft preventative strategies to handle possible outbreaks. This working together component is critical, given our tourism industry's nature to have scores of travelers coming from and going to the Western Pacific.
When we think about it, the globe's getting smaller and smaller, even though the region that we operate in is, geographically huge. But it doesn't take much for, one plane load of people, one passenger, with an illness, and that, just gets communicated to everybody.
And perhaps the most pertinent of the conference's objectives is urban health, with implications on where around the island Guamanians choose to live, and some of the impacts to health by people coming here from the freely associated states. James Palmer, who coordinated the event, sheds light on some of the general concerns about this migration pattern.
Cities can be wonderful places to live with access to good food, good sanitation, education, better salaries, better transportation, or they can be worse places to live with those items as well, with pollution, with bad food, with bad transportation, with smog and things like that.
Jim Gillen, director of Guam's Department of Public Health, relates impacts that he's seeing this phenomenon have on the local market.
Now we have people moving from those areas into Guam, which has a similar kind of effect. They're coming to look for jobs, they're coming to look, but they, or looking for education. They don't have they're not ready for it. They don't have decent housing, and we have all of those, the same challenges, but it's not really in an urban setting per se. But I think you can draw the same kind of similarities.